In this video, you'll learn how to connect Spotify to Notion. In 25, this process will allow you to embed your favorite Spotify playlists directly into your Notion workspace, enhancing your productivity and creativity. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Notion website. Once you arrive at notion.so, sign into your account if you haven't already done so. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. After signing in, locate the option to add a new page. This can typically be found on the sidebar or main dashboard. Click on the plus icon or the new page button to create a blank page where you will embed your Spotify playlist. Next, open a new tab in your browser and go to google.com. In the search bar, type Spotify playlist to find the playlists available on Spotify. This search will help you discover various playlists that you might want to embed. Once you see the search results, locate the Spotify web player link and click on it. This will redirect you to Spotify's web interface where you can browse and select playlists. Ensure your internet connection is stable to avoid interruptions while loading the playlist. Now, choose a playlist from the Spotify options displayed. Once you find a playlist you like, click on it to access its details. This action will provide you with the option to share or copy a link to the playlist. Look for the three dots icon next to the playlist title. Clicking on this icon will open a menu with several options. From this menu, select Copy Link to Playlist. This step is essential as it will allow you to embed the playlist in Notion. Return to your Notion page and click on a blank space to position the embedded playlist. This will be the area where the Spotify playlist will be displayed. Make sure to choose a spot that fits well within. Type /embed in the blank space. This command prompts Notion to allow you to embed various types of content. After typing this command, a menu will appear with different embedding options. From the menu, click on Embed. A prompt will appear asking you to paste a link. This is where you will paste the Spotify playlist link that you copied earlier. After pasting the link, click on Embed Link. Notion will process the link and embed the Spotify playlist directly onto your page. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a moment. You will see the embedded Spotify playlist appear on your Notion page. At this point, you can resize the embedded playlist to fit your design preferences. Just click and drag the edges of the embedded content to adjust its dimensions. To play the embedded playlist, click on the play button. This will initiate playback within Notion, allowing you to enjoy your music without switching applications. If you need to pause the playlist, simply click on the pause button. This functionality enables you to control the playback directly from your Notion workspace, facilitating a seamless experience. And that completes the process. You've now successfully embedded a Spotify playlist into Notion, creating an integrated workspace for music and productivity. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.